Hello children, welcome to the online teaching session of class 5. Today I will teach you the story My Elder Brother in English Literature. This is a story of Premchand titled Bade Bhai Sahab. The story shows that experience is as important as hard work. A hostel room, two brothers aged 9 and 14 years sitting at a study table. The elder brother Bhaiya is reading a book and a younger one Munna is drawing pictures of birds and animals. There are two brothers and they are talking with each other. They are living in a hostel and they are talking with each other. What are you doing, Munna? Munna, I am drawing. Bhaiya, when will you study? Where were you in the morning? Munna, turning pale. I was playing. Bhaiya, how can you sit with a book for hours together? The two brothers are very much different. Bhaiya, he is the elder one and he is studying all the time. But Munna, he is playful and doesn't want to study, but he is very intelligent. Then he is caught by the elder brother and he asks, where were you in the morning? Then he turns pale. He says, Bhaiya, how can you sit with a book for hours together? Bhaiya, that's because I want my foundation in education to be very strong. If the base is strong, then the building will stand firmly. Sometimes it takes me 2 years to do 1 year's work. Munna, Bhaiya, you are 5 years older than I am and 3 classes ahead of me. I wonder why you keep writing the same word 20 times, one sentence more than 20 times, and copy poems several times in beautiful letters. You are repeating the same again and again, and you are 5 years older than me, then also you are 3 classes ahead of me. Bhaiya, you know, studying is English is no child's play. He says that studies in English is not a play. One has to work very hard in order to learn the subject, to speak or write English properly. Tremendous effort is required, but the moment you get a chance, you run to the field, play marbles and fly paper kites, or sit idling away with friends for fun. Can't you sit down and study? Then he says that it is not a game to learn English, but you are wasting your time. Then Munna says, oh Bhaiya, there is a big mela in the village today. Should we go? Bhaiya says, have you ever seen me going to a fair or going to watch a cricket or hockey match? I don't go near them. I prefer to study a book. I don't mind repeating a class more than 2 years, but you might stay in the same class all your life. Do you expect to pass if you waste your time playing all the time? You are simply wasting father's hard-earned money. Then Bhaiya scolds Munna. Munna starts crying on being scolded and sobbing sounds wah wah ba ba who are heard. These are the sounds of crying. Munna, Bhaiya, I feel like running away and going back home. He says that I will go back home. I want to go back home. Bhaiya, now, stop crying. Put on a nice smile. Look, I will make a timetable for you to follow. Get up at dawn. He says that I will make the timetable for you and you have to follow. Then what timetable he makes? Let us see. 6 a.m. wash your hands, have your breakfast and sit down to study. 6 to 8 a.m. English, 8 to 9 a.m. Maths, 9 to 9:30 history, 3:30 p.m. then off to school, 5 to 6 p.m. grammar, 6:30 to 7 English composition, then dinner. 8 to 9 p.m. translation, 9 to 10 p.m. Hindi, 10 to 11 p.m. other subjects, and then to bed. Means there is no time for playing. Then Munna asks, but when is the time to play? Play? What is the need, Munna? Munna, oh, I love the green fields, the gentle breeze. I want to jump up like a football. I like to touch and go and hoo-too-too sounds of the kabaddi, and the hurry and flurry of volleyball pulls me like a magnet. As soon as I am on the field, I forget everything. Scene 2, the final exams are over and the results are out. Then see what happens in the result. Bhaiya, alas, I have failed once again. Munna, oh, but Bhaiya, I have passed and topped my class. Now there is only 2 years difference between us. Bhaiya, but my dear brother, don't be so proud. You have passed only one class and you think that I am stupid and you are smart. Once in a while, in a gilli danda game, you might get lucky and hit a goal. But that does not mean you have mastered the game. You have to work hard to be successful in life. When you have to study a subject like algebra or geometry in higher classes, then you will understand the importance of hard work. In geometry, if one writes ACB instead of ABC, the answer is marked wrong. The examiners will not spare you. Then they want you to learn word by word from the textbooks. Munna, oh bhai saab, this is scary. This is frightening. I don't think I want to go to the 9th class now, but I will still complete my day's homework so that I get no punishment in class. Then Munna says that I do my work and I can do also, so you don't worry. Bhaiya, just today we were asked to write a short essay on the topic of punctuality in 4 pages. And imagine, can something be written on 4 pages and still be short? It's all so mixed up. Munna thinking aloud, thank God it was time for school, or else the scolding would have gone on and on. So children, for today, thank you and have a nice day.